Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to enable dark mode for your YouTube Studio desktop on your Mac or your Windows machine. Before you begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notifications. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So YouTube teased this feature in July, but the option never appeared. However, we now get this option to enable dark mode on your YouTube Studio desktop version. So let me show you how to do it. So on your PC or a Mac, navigate to studio.youtube.com. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account and I'm on my content page. Now click on your profile picture at the top right of the page. Then select Appearance. Here you get three options. By default, device theme is selected, which means it'll follow what your operating system is set to. The second one is dark theme, which will basically enable dark mode. So go ahead and press it. As you can see, dark mode reduces glare and improves your viewing on the page. And there you go. That is how to enable dark mode on your desktop YouTube Studio page. My name is Karthik and you're watching Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.